I used to make self-improvement a mountain. Books piled high, habits spreadsheeted, and I still felt stuck. Then one day, I stopped trying to climb and started building a ladder. Every morning, same battle. The snooze button wins. Motivation vanishes. My goals stare back like unpaid bills. I thought I was lazy. I thought I lacked discipline. But really, I was trapped in complexity. I made growth harder than it needed to be. I treated self-improvement like an exam when it should have been an adventure. Here's the truth. The brain loves proof of progress, not pressure. It's an engine that runs on small wins, not guilt. But we overload it. We build giant lists. We chase 10 habits at once, then burn out on day 3. The mind sees it as danger, not growth. It shuts down. That's why you scroll instead of start. That's why you dream big but move small. The more steps you try to sprint, the less distance you cover. Phase 1. Simplify the game. I started deleting goals, not failing, filtering. I asked, what's one thing that builds momentum? 1 push-up, 1 page, 1 honest journal line. Like lighting a single match instead of shouting at the dark. Self-improvement got quiet, simple, suddenly doable. Phase 2. Make momentum visible. Then I needed proof, so I drew it, a stick figure ladder on my wall. Every step equals 1 habit done. No tracking apps, no punishments, just pencil lines going up. Climbing became visual. My brain started craving that next step. 1 tiny mark meant progress. My identity shifted from trying to building. Phase 3. Reframe failure. I stopped calling bad days failure. They became feedback. If I missed the gym, cool, data point. If I lost focus, okay, energy check. Growth wasn't personal anymore. It was mechanical, like tuning an engine. You don't hate the engine, you adjust it. That mindset freed me. Phase 4. Automate strength. Here's where it clicked. I didn't need motivation, I needed systems. The same playlist every morning, the same 5-minute reset each night, the same cue. Coffee cup means reading time. When you remove thinking, you remove friction. The easier it is to start, the further you'll go. Phase 5. Make it playful. I turned growth into a game. XP points for calm replies, level ups for workouts, quest complete every Sunday. Suddenly, I cared again. Not out of fear, but fun. Discipline became a kind of play. And fun, I learned, is the most underrated fuel. So if self-improvement feels heavy, make it light. Shrink it, laugh at it, draw it, track it, play it. You don't need a perfect routine. You just need your next rung on the ladder. Because greatness is never a leap. It's a rhythm. And once the rhythm starts, the climb feels effortless. If you're ready to make growth simple, start your ladder today. And hey, tap subscribe, because your next step might be 1 video away.